Hey, friends! Welcome back to Absolute Kids. Have you ever wondered how you can make your very own Google profile? Well, today, you'll learn how to make it step by step so you can have your own personalized space online. Ready? Let's jump right in. What is a Google profile? A Google profile is like your own little space on the internet. With it, you can access tools like Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and more. It's your online identity. And don't worry, it's super easy to set up. Once you have a Google profile, you can sign in to all sorts of cool Google services like YouTube, Google Classroom, or even Google Docs for school projects. Your Google profile can help you connect with friends and family and find cool stuff online. Before we get started, if you're under 13, make sure to ask an adult like a parent or guardian to help you. Now, you might ask, why is it important to ask for permission before creating a Google profile if you're under 13? Creating a Google profile is fun, but it's always good to have someone older to guide you through the process. Got that? Great! Let's move on. Step-by-step guide to creating your Google profile. Grab your computer, tablet, or phone, and let's get started. Step 1, open your browser. Choose your favorite browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whatever you like. Just click on it to get started. Step 2, go to Google. Now, type www.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll see the colorful Google homepage. Step 3, sign in or create an account. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. If you don't have an account, click create an account. You will see 3 options: for personal use, for your child, for work, or my business. We will be creating for children, so click on the for your child option. You also choose how your child signs into their account. Step 4, fill out your information. Enter your first name, which is compulsory, and your last name, which is optional. And then click on Next. Step 5, add your birthday. Next, you'll be prompted to add your birth information. This is important because it helps Google provide a safer experience for you. Remember, if you're under 13 years old, you cannot create a Google account. That's why you need your guardian's help to create it. Step 6, select your gender. After inputting your age, you'll see options for gender. You can choose whatever you feel comfortable with, or you can select rather not say if you prefer. When you're done, click on Next. Step 7, pick an email address. After selecting your age and gender, Google will prompt you to choose an email address. Select one of the auto-generated ones, or type in one of your choice. If it is available, it will be yours. When you're done, click on Next. If your chosen email address is being rejected, this is probably because someone else is using that address. However, you can choose one of the auto-generated ones, or you can keep changing it until it's approved. When you're done, click on Next. Step 8, decide on your password. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Step 9, confirm that you're a human. Once you get to this point, all you need to do is confirm that you're a human by inputting your phone number. A verification code will be sent to you. Input the code and voila, your email address is ready for use. Note that a parent must sign in with their own account to help their child manage their Google account until he turns 13 or the applicable age in your country. Step 10, recovery email. In addition to your phone number, Google will require you to put in a recovery email. Though this step isn't compulsory, it is super important. If you ever forget your password, this information will help you recover your account, although your phone number can still suffice. Step 11, agree to the terms. Finally, you'll need to read and agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's a good idea to know what you're agreeing to, so take a moment to look through it. If you're okay with it, just click I agree. Step 12. Customize your profile. Ta-da! You've created your Google profile. Now you can customize it by adding a profile picture. Click on the little camera icon and upload a fun photo of yourself. Or choose a silly cartoon avatar. This will help your friends recognize you when they see your profile. Then, just toggle through a little more settings and you're good to go. Once your profile is ready, you can use it to connect with friends and family, play games, watch videos, and learn new things. Before we wrap up this section, remember these tips. Keep your password strong. Control who sees your info by changing your privacy settings. Share only what's necessary. Stick to people you know and report any inappropriate content. Now, we've talked about creating a Google account, but did you know that with a Google account, you can do so much fun stuff? Here are a few ideas. 1. Stream YouTube videos. This mystery tool, known as a Google profile/account, lets you watch videos and create playlists on a certain very popular platform. Can you guess what it is yet? YouTube. With YouTube, you can watch your favorite videos, create playlists, and even comment on videos. 2. Organize files with Google Drive. Next up is Google Drive. With Google Drive, you can keep all your files safe, work on school projects with friends, and access them from any device of your choice, whether you're at home or on the go. 3. Keep track of important dates with Google Calendar. Up next is Google Calendar. Google Calendar helps you keep track of important dates, sets reminders for homework, and plans your day like a pro. You can set important dates like your birthday or celebration days and let Google Calendar remind you when the day comes. Isn't that fun? 4. Access cool apps on Google Play. Now, let's talk about a tool that lets you discover and download fun apps and games. Can you guess what it is? Google Play. Yes, Google Play can help you discover fun apps, games, movies, and music that you can enjoy on your Android devices. You'll never run out of things to do. And all these perks come from having a Google profile. 5. Easily access assignments using Google Classroom. Another standout tool in the Google suite is Google Classroom. If your school uses Google Classroom, you can easily access your assignments, join classes, and communicate with your teachers on the go. It's like having a virtual school right in your hands. Isn't this cool? Did anyone catch the hint about keeping track of homework and school projects? What tech tool helps you do that? The Google Drive? Very good. Let's move on. Fun facts about Google. Now let's explore some interesting Google fun facts you might not know. Number 1 on our list is Google Doodles. Have you ever noticed that sometimes the Google logo changes into something cool or funny? These are called Google Doodles, and they're there to celebrate special events, holidays, or famous people. Go check out the Doodle archive to see some past ones. The second fun feature you should know is Google Photos. Did you know Google Photos gives you free storage for your photos and videos? Yep, it's true. You can save all your awesome pictures and never worry about running out of space using this amazing app. Fun fact 3, Google Maps Timeline. With this feature enabled, once you enable location history, Google Maps can create a timeline of the places you've been, just like having a personal travel diary. Imagine seeing all the places you've visited on a map. It's pretty cool, right? Fun fact 4, Google Lens. Ever wondered what kind of plant you have growing in your backyard or what a sign says in another language? Google Lens can be of help. Just point your phone's camera to scan what you want to know, and Google will tell you what it is. The good thing is that it is accurate in most instances. Before we conclude, let's do a quick recap of some useful things to keep in mind when creating a Google profile. Always ask an adult for help if you're under 13 before creating a Google profile. Create a strong password to keep your profile safe. Customize your profile to show off your personality. Be careful about what you share and who you connect with online. And most importantly, have fun and stay curious. Challenge time. Now it's time to test your knowledge on everything you've been learning in this video. 1. What is the most important thing you need to know about creating a Google profile as a kid? Share your password with your friends and family. You must be at least 13 years old to own a Google profile. Nothing. Creating a Google profile is bad. 2. Head to www.google.com. Click on the sign in button. Now, take a look at the page. What is the first step to take if you don't already have a Google account? Type in your email. Click on Forgot Email. Type in any email you like and click Next. Click on Create Account. Three, having a Google account grants you access to lots of Google-powered services. Which of these services helps you discover cool apps on your Android device? Google Play, Google Read, Google Study, Google Apps. What answers did you pick for each of the questions? Let us know in the comments section. If you find any of the questions confusing, consider going through the video again and hopefully you'll be able to answer the question the next time you get to it. So, future Google gurus, you've just learned how to create your own Google profile and customize it to make it uniquely yours. You've also learned how to stay safe online, and you can access some interesting services once you have a Google profile. Now, you're all set to explore the digital world like a pro. If you enjoyed this adventure with us, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our awesome content. Also, if you have any questions or need more help, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, stay safe, and have a blast online. Bye.